People should not fear time to find answers with their lives. They need some sort of a guide, and they should have the knowledge on what kind of path they're going to take. A clear, safe path that will help them to feel comfortable. Something that they will enjoy doing and cherish every moment of it. A place that all of us can soar high. As we step forward, we avoid risk and limiting responsibility in our own decision-making. I always look back and find my way in life. It is the best inspiration that I have. After all, we are all free to express how our life should be.